This drink destroys your bones from the inside and harms every organ on its way out. A lot of people in the world drink soda drinks every day without even thinking about the side effects. Well, we all know that sugary drinks are not good for our health, but still, people in America consume an average of 57 gallons of soda per person. So, let me ask you a question, do you really know how bad is soda for your health? Soda and osteoporosis. The soda drinks contain phosphoric acid and caffeine. According to the Framingham Osteoporosis study, in 2006, in which were examined more than 2,500 men and women, has found that daily cola intake was related with significantly lower Bermudian dollars in the hips of women, which are more prone to bone loss than men. Another study has found that this phenomenon is caused by too much phosphorus, which can inhibit calcium absorption. The medical experts also think that phosphoric acid in cola leaches calcium out of the human bones. They also claim that drinking 330 milligrams of caffeine, or 4 cups of coffee every day, can cause bone loss. It's because the caffeine can interfere with calcium absorption and lead to calcium loss through urine. So, if you suffer from this type of health condition and you are over 50, or you have a condition which impairs nutrient absorption, then you should avoid soda at all cost. Here are some other important reasons why you should quit soda. 1. Extra pounds. According to the latest statistics, 2 out of 3 adults and 1 out of 3 kids in United States are overweight or obese. The medical experts claim that daily soda consumption is one of the most common causes for this type of health problems. Dr. Christopher Ochner, assistant professor of pediatrics and adolescent medicine at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, says that if everything else in your diet is the same, if you drink 1 can of Coke every day, you will add an additional 15 pounds per year. You will add 15 pounds just from the Coke calories alone. Other bad thing is that soda consumption causes you to gain visceral fat, which gathers around your organs and increases the risk of heart diseases. 2. Liver damage. These soda drinks have high amounts of fructose, which can damage your liver if you consume it in high amounts. This is probably one of the leading causes of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Just 2 cans of Coke a day will increase your risk of fatty liver, liver failure, liver cirrhosis and heart disease. 3. Tooth decay. You should also know that drinking soda drinks causes tooth erosion. It damages the tooth enamel and increases your risk of cavities. Well, the bad thing about this is that the damaging reaction lasts for 20 minutes after each sip, which means that taking your time to drink soda actually increases its negative impact on your teeth. The soda can also reach beyond surface enamel and into your dentin, and even corrode through composite fillings. The soda drinks cause even more damage to the teeth of children, which are not fully developed and hardened. 4. Kidney disease. A recent study, with more than 3,000 participants, mostly women, has found that soda-drinking women had a 30% greater reduction in kidney function compared with non-soda drinkers. Another study, conducted by a group of researchers in Japan, has concluded that consuming more than 2 sodas per day will cause protein loss through urine, which is a common sign for kidney damage, kidney disease, heart disease and heart failure. 5. Diabetes. Well, you should also know that people who consume sugary drinks regularly more than 2 cans per 1 day have a 26% increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to non-soda drinkers. The professor of pediatrics and adolescent medicine at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, Dr. Christopher Ochner, says that soda consumption can cause dangerous influxes in blood sugar levels. Dr. Ochner also says that these people interfere with the system that keeps trying to regulate the blood sugar levels. He also says that they can cause dysregulation and insulin resistance. The body's not able to properly metabolize the sugar, which ultimately leads to diabetes. So, people who drink soda and sugary drinks every day have 20% higher risk of having a heart attack or dying from a heart attack. This is why you should stop drinking soda drink. And if you have soda habit that you just can't seem to quit, then you should replace the soda drink with much healthier options: infused water, tea and fresh vegetable juice. You will get more energy from these alternatives and you will feel much healthier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.